to talk about different pranayams and their benefits. Yes, so let's begin. So why should you do pranayams? हमें ये क्यों करना चाहिए? I believe and I have practiced this for so many years, and as I have seen it in so many patients, after you do a couple of pranayams, you get so relaxed, your efficiency improves, your focus improves, and in today's generation, when you're having so many cases of anxiety, depression, so much stress, these few minutes of our daily pranayams will help you boost our concentration and your confidence. So this is how you should do. Yes. So let me start with teaching you how to do Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. Nadi Shodhan Pranayam के लिए your left hand should be in this mudra. Your index finger and your thumb should be touched together, should be joined together and placed on your left thigh. Your right hand, both your index finger and your middle finger should be in between both your eyebrows, in your brow region. Yes, your thumb should be on your right nostril. Your ring finger should be on your left nostril. This pranayam is also called as the alternate nostril breathing. Why? Because at one time only one nostril takes in breath. That is why it is called as alternate nostril breathing. So both your fingers are in the brow. Your right thumb on your right nostril. Your right ring finger on your left nostril. You need to breathe out from your left nostril first. Breathe out from your left nostril. Breathe in from your left nostril. Block your left nostril with your ring finger, and breathe out from your right nostril. Now breathe in from your right. Place your thumb on your right nostril. Breathe out from your left. Breathe in from your left. Place your ring finger on your left. Breathe out from your right. Breathe in from right. Breathe out from left. In from left. Breathe out from right. In from right. Breathe out from left. So breathe in from right, breathe out from left, breathe in from left, breathe out from right is one cycle. Yes? Couple of cycles like 7 to 8 cycles of Nadi Shodhan Pranayam will definitely help you. Do this on a regular basis, especially during mornings and right before you go to sleep, and you will see that the quality of your sleep will drastically improve. The amount of dreams, nightmares you will have will reduce drastically when you do such pranayams right before you go to sleep. Yes, so that's all for today. Thank you so much.